What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another edition of Off Earth. My name is Daryl. Today I'm going to take you through my process for making realistic weathering on metallic parts. So we're in the future, and I've already done it on a couple speed shapes. These are automotive speed shapes. One's painted gold, one's painted chrome, Duralumin, and Sim Candy California Gold. I weathered these using enamels, oils, acrylics, various paintbrushes, and some naphtha. And it's something that you can do at home. Real simple and easy. You don't have to use the exact paints that I use, just full disclaimer, because I know a lot of people ask questions about my paints. You can do this with anything. I mean, you could stick to just acrylics. You can use rub and buff, enamels, whatever you got available for this type of weathering. So hopefully there's something to take away from this, because I'm going to be doing this on my Mark 42 Iron Man helmet as well, because I want that Iron Man 3 beat up Mark 42 suit that you see sitting on the couch in the boys' garage. Yeah, I'm going to be taking this nice, clean, beautiful, shiny Mark 42 Iron Man helmet and doing the same thing that I'm showing you in this video too. That'll be a separate video, of course, but make sure you stay to the end. I think this is really, really useful, you know. And this is only the second weathering video I've done. So for this weathering effect, similar to the Sylvie crown, we're starting out with this speed shape that has a candy gold finish, black acrylic, and a paper towel. We're going to get some paint on there, and we're going to knock it off. Next, we're going to repeat the same process as before with the black acrylic, but this time we're going to be using the Model Masters brass, and I'm going to be using a wider fan brush for that as well. There we go. And the last step, I'm going to use this heavy body acrylic. This is a rich gold or bright gold, iridescent bright gold. And we're just going to repeat the same technique. And you just repeat that until you are happy. But you can see there's a big difference in just the raw gold versus the metal texture gold. Now, being that most of this is acrylic, you can also take yourself a toothpick, dip the end of it in water, and make little scratch marks across this. That'll remove that paint, but it'll also, you know, reveal what's underneath. And that's it. With very little products and some patience, you've made yourself a nice weathered metallic part. Like I mentioned previously, all these products are interchangeable with other products. If you only have acrylics, use them. The Model Masters metallic line that I use, the brass, was discontinued, I was just using what I had on hand for this. So if all you have are acrylics or oil or enamel, use those. All of those are completely interchangeable throughout this process. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Don't thumbs down me, just thumbs up, all thumbs up. We all positive over here, you feel me? And subscribe. I was looking at some of the metrics and it's like 58% of my viewers aren't subscribed, and I don't understand because things are only going to get better and you're only going to learn more. So you might as well subscribe, maybe hit the bell, you know, all that normal YouTube stuff that you do. I mean, if you don't want to hit the bell, that's cool. Just search my name every time you get on YouTube. That'll work as well. All products that I used, once again, will be in the description below. So you never have to go hunting and searching for the things that I did use in this video. You can find them there. And as always, never be afraid to suck at something new. Peace.